What the fuck? Hey Oppers and Unnies, it's Rapmon and I'm going to show you how to dance like a fucking beast. I'm the best fucking dancer in BTS, so let me show you. Alright, so first you're gonna put your hands like this and act like you're serving it to the goddess Nicki Minaj, you peasant. Booty queen. Okay, so now serve it to Lil Wayne and point your hairy ass legs to da side. Pussy meat.
Wake me up inside. Wake up. Wake me up inside. Call my name and save me from the dark. Wake me up. Is that an angel, baby? No, that's his dance moves. Watch my lady honey grooves. Feed me lots of jumbo juice. Call me Lady Tiger, but I never eat my young. My legs in those pants a dream. When I would move, I'd scream. Watch out for my body rolls. Watch out for my body rolls. High kicks, this is how we do. Watch out for my body rolls. Watch out for my body rolls.
Hills are ready. Please come play. 1, 2, 3, 4.
This is Rap Monster from BTS.
뭐랄까 그 아무것도 신경을 안 쓰는
그렇군요.
빨간 모습형이 저는 슈가 형의 그 냉정함 그 똑 부러지는 그 판단력 이 굉장히 부럽습니다.
태미 랩몬스터의 이 말랑말랑한 두뇌.
Brain. Da fuck is that supposed to mean?
마인드, 마인드.
이제 그런 긍정적이고 이제 남을 밝게 해주는 그런 에너지.
브로마인드.
야, 너가 일본에서 육포랑 오징어 되게 맛있는 거고 사실 뭐 생각해가지고 사온 거야. 물티슈도 너 맨날 흘려가지고 야, 너 이거 잘 닦으라고 내가 물티슈도 샀는데 나한테 어떻게 그럴 수가 있어?
호비의 이 정말 이 프로페셔널한 이 어떤 이 에너지.
프로페셔널한
리액션.
옐로우.
You are such a hating asshole who has no life on the internet.
Do you remember me? You don't? Maybe this will trigger your memory. That shit really hurt, bro. I'm not even talking about emotions, Jin. I broke my voice tonsil bones and now I sound like the Microsoft David United States English voice. I'm not finna let you get away with that even after all these years. I'm coming for you, bro. Just watch out. Peace.
Percocet, Miley Percocet, Percocet, Miley Percocet, rep the set, gotta rep the set.
볼륨을 높여봐 feel the beat 지금의 리듬을 느껴봐 feeling good you know hot 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 coming up I want the world to know got to let it show I'm coming up
Girl, 날 차분히 가라앉히는 멀미약 어딜 가든 꼭 붙일 거야 널 내 귀 밑에 전반하는 시간은 3초라지만 벌써 넌 이미 내 영원을 의미해 TV 스크린 화장실에 거울 태양도 모두 너야 왜 이래 피하고 싶은데 피할 수가 없잖아 아니 사실 피하고 싶은 것도 아니야 실은 말야 슬픈 합리화쟁이 그게 지금의 나야 딴 생각 접고 잠깐만 나를 안아줘 비싼 여자란 타이틀 따고 널만 내려놔줘 Take it off now girl Just take it off I'm a master baby Take it off now girl Just take it off I can't help it like dim the lights down baby Dim the lights in out We can talk with your heart rate from later Just dim the lights I'm up at the person like you never ever dim the lights down baby Just dim the lights in out We can talk with your heart rate from later Just dim the lights I'm up at the person like you never ever felt before
It go like oh, Ray, me, for so fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the
Wait a second. I can make this into something funny. Never mind, him so lazy bro xddddddddd. No, I'm just fucking with y'all. I tried. Okay, let me sit in my tears. This is my first time creating a crack video. Lol. And I DK how to edit or anything, so like, don't attack me bro cause I can hit you with that 360 no scope right in your ass boy. Anyways, like this shit, because I spent 3 whole weeks creating this, when I should have been preparing for school, appreciate me, or else I'll 360 no scope your ass right in the nose. Bye armies xddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddddd